Let's say welcome, welcome, welcome. 2, 3. Once again. Once again. Again. All right, quietly stand.
Remain standing for the national anthem. Three big bravos. Camboree, bravo, bravo, bravo. I promise that my God and my country and as a people.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Tudolomna, Nisambulomnakan, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum. I'm a very good morning to you all. As your new Chief Scout, I'm deeply honored to join you today to officiate in the opening of the 9th Fiji National Cup, Camboree. This is also an important occasion as it is also the 100th anniversary of the Cub Scout movement in the world. As President and Chief Scout, and I'm sure that I can confidently speak on your behalf, the Scouts of the Cubs of the Scouts movement in Fiji, that we are very happy and in a festive and celebration mood because of the magnificent and historic performance and achievement of our men servants rugby team in winning Fiji's first ever gold medal in the Summer Olympic Games since we first forayed into the Olympic arena in 1956. Well done. And what a tremendous achievement by our team of gallant rugby warriors, who was superbly coached by Ben Ryan and ably led by Captain Hosea Colinsau on the field. We congratulate and salute them for this momentous and historical feat. It has made us all so very proud to be Fijians. The members of our Sevens rugby team were once young boys like you, who aspired and dreamed to be successful in life through their individual and collective hard work, their perseverance and sacrifice. They have achieved their dreams of winning gold in the Olympics, thus stamping and guaranteeing Fiji's status as world champions in the International Sevens Rugby arena. Our Sevens Rugby Olympic heroes have proven to our beloved nation, and particularly to you young boys, who are members of the Cub movement, that there is no substitute to hard work as the key to success. This is the challenge I want to leave with you, our Cubs and all youths of Fiji. If you remain focused and persevere in what you want to achieve in life, nothing becomes impossible. You are Fiji's future, and you can continue to demonstrate to the world that Fiji can be as good as any other country. Today's celebration is my first official engagement, as you've heard, as the Chief Scout of Fiji after I was invested with the honor some weeks back. And it's an honor to be part of an organization that stands for our duty to God, our duty to our country, and our duty to help other people. These values are reflected in our promise, which makes young Cubs like you different from other young people of your age. The Scouts and the Cub movement in Fiji reached a milestone in 2014 when it celebrated its 100th year of existence and service during the Centennial Jamboree at Queen Victoria School, Matamatulou, and today, the 15th of August 2016, we are reaching another milestone. We are celebrating the 100th anniversary of the Cub and Scouts movement in the world. As young members of the Cub movement, today you should continue to learn and improve your skills and performance as we all look forward to your transition into becoming our future Scouts, our Scout masters and leaders of the movement to tomorrow. As we gather here in the Sugar City for the occasion of the 9th Fiji National Cup Camboree, I'm happy to inform you that the World Organization of the Scouts Movement has been very supportive and forthcoming with its encouragement and good wishes for successful and fruitful Camboree. To you, our young cubs of the movement, you will find that life can be a very different experience because within the organization you will be guided, encouraged, and helped in realizing and fulfilling your potential and ambition in life. Your training and interaction with fellow cubs should develop your character, with improvement to your discipline and ability to be part of and work together successfully as a team. We've heard these from the president. These traits and qualities which will undoubtedly assist you as you mature and venture into an unpredictable and very challenging future. Early this year, our country went through a very traumatic and challenging period as a consequence of the widespread devastation wreaked by severe tropical cyclone Winston. I believe that some of you were adversely affected, but tried your best to assist other members of your communities who were less fortunate by heeding the call and plea of government that as Fijians we should be more compassionate, considerate and helpful during such times. In this regard, I would like to commend and thank you for your efforts because in reaching out to those in need, you have responded in the true spirit of what you stand for as a cub or a scout in the movement. For those of you who were badly affected by the cyclone in February, this should be a good break from the trauma and hardship you went through, and I encourage you to share your experiences with your friends and help each other, as this will be a good therapy for your psychological recovery. Camboree is a wonderful opportunity for all cubs and leaders to come together and participate in activities. You meet new friends and you take a break from your homes and your schools. I believe all of you will undergo a new enjoyable experience as you share and learn from one another. There are over 10,000 young people who are registered as scouts all over Fiji over the years. About 1,000 of you who are lucky to be selected to participate in this scout. Thank you. Congratulations. A camp that is only held every 4 years, I've been told. This site is also historical and it's also an institution of learning for young people, and I would like to acknowledge and commend and thank the management for making it available for our youth. Your theme for this camp, fun in the sun, and this is what I want you to achieve in this camp. Having fun is healthy, and it relieves us from the demands and obligations of our everyday lives. The Camboree is multicultural, multi-religious, and promotes genuine friendship, which is the very essence of fun that we should strive to achieve during a stay. This Camboree is going to be a grand occasion for all of us by Fiji standards. You'll be doing community work. You'll be visiting institutions and business facilities in the Lotoko City and interacting with the village and farming communities here in Russell. Try and learn as much as you can. This Camboree will test your individual life skills and allow everyone to reflect and have fun. So make the most of it. I am pleased to learn that you will be expected to make your own beds, help cook your own food and share your thoughts and experiences with newfound friends. It'll be good for you, I can assure you that. One of the aims of this Camboree is for you to learn and at the same time have fun. And I'm sure that you will indeed attain this over the duration of your stay, the next 2 or 3 days. I must acknowledge and welcome the participation of Cubs from all over Fiji who are here today. For Cubs from the Northern, Eastern and Central Divisions, welcome to the West. For those of you from the West, Nandrongan, Nandimba, Tavua and Ra, Lotoka welcome you as a host of this Camboree. I appreciate your participation and also hope that you will learn as much as you can from the camp to help you grow intellectually, socially, and spiritually. In conclusion, I would like to commend and thank the Lautoka Scout Council, the camp chief, and your hard-working team. Thank you very much for organizing this large gathering of youth. To the Cubs, I'm certain that your parents and guardians expect you to enjoy yourselves, learn from each other, and hopefully return home better equipped to make a difference by becoming responsible, caring, and productive citizens of our beloved nation in the future. I wish you all a successful and blessed time, and I now have great pleasure to declare the 9th Fiji National Cup Camboree and the 100th anniversary of the Scouting movement in the world open. May Almighty God continue to bless our beloved nation and all Fijians. Navalevu, Dhanyabad, Sukriya, and thank you all. So we're going to have a joint. Can we step on that?
Yeah, sure.
Just
Just have to lift it up.
Oh, lift it
From
up.
here, lift it up.
There we
It will
go.
go back.
Lift it up. There we go. This plaque was unveiled by His Excellency the President of Fiji and Chief Scout, General Konrote, to commemorate the centenary of Cub Scouting worldwide at the 9th Fiji National Camboree, Rasa Lautoka, 15th of August 2016. Now, congratulations.
Bravo.
Bravos.
Bravo, bravo, bravo.
God bless you, eh? What's your name? Waru.
Tali unot, kede, up to here.
Wait. Muni.
Tarang ko.
Eh, sa tortang wari.
Sino?
Nasa valeu. So, na valeu na vitweli. Malo.